Hello guys. Welcome to the new video of PSD Studio. Today I am doing a tutorial about vintage color grading. Without wasting time, let's jump into the video. First step, open channel mixer from the adjustment layer. From the output channel select green and change the value of green L to 20 to 25 range as per your wish. Blue to around 93. And select blue from the out channel and change the value of green to 15 and blue to 94. Second step, select gradient and enable the reverse and change the style to radial and select the neutral density gradient from the gradient option. Make the angle around 45 and scale around 175 to 180. Step 3, select selective color from the adjustment layer and select red from the colors option. From that change the value to -20 to -25 next. Change the color to cyan and from that change the value of cyan to -22. Black to 42 and magenta to 90 AMD. Yellow to -32 then. Select the neutral from the colors menu from there black to 10. Step 4, select curves from the adjustment layer and change the curves according to the video. Step 5, select vibrance from the adjustment layer. Step 6, select all the layers and group them to grouping. Use shortcut Ctrl+J. And you can use the effect in any image you want by just adjusting the values. Thank you for watching the video. Like, share, subscribe. See you all on next video. Until then, bye.